Just 1 cup every morning for only 3 days. And you'll be amazed at how quickly your body starts to feel different. Today, I'm going to share with you 2 natural power boosters that help cleanse the intestines and detoxify the liver in just 3 days. These recipes are extremely simple and made entirely from familiar kitchen ingredients. First, we'll start with the very first formula. This is an important step to clear the pathway for your digestive system, helping your body absorb nutrients better and eliminate what it doesn't need. The first ingredient is 2 medium-ripe kiwis. Start by peeling the kiwis and slicing them into thin pieces. Kiwis are well known for being rich in vitamin C and soluble fiber, but what makes them truly special is the enzyme actinidin. This natural enzyme helps break down protein more quickly, supports digestion, and stimulates healthy bowel movement. Thanks to that, kiwi helps cleanse the intestines, gently reduce bloating, support waste elimination, and leave your stomach feeling lighter in just a short time. Next is the apple. Remove the seeds and cut it into smaller pieces. Apples are one of the fruit's richest in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts like a natural magnet, helping to pull out toxins, heavy metals, waste, and even bad cholesterol from the intestines. In addition, apples contain plenty of vitamin C and antioxidants, which help boost energy, brighten the skin, and reduce oxidative stress in the body. In your opinion, which is better for the liver, kiwi or green apples? I'd really love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below. After cutting the kiwi and apples into small pieces, place everything into a glass jar or a blender. Then add 1 container of plain yogurt. Yogurt is rich in probiotic bacteria, which help balance the gut microbiome, support digestion, and reduce bloating. This helps the intestines function more smoothly, allowing the detoxification process to take place naturally and effectively. Finally, add 300 ml of water and blend for about 1 minute until the mixture becomes completely smooth. According to research from the European Journal of Nutrition, kiwi has an excellent ability to support digestion by helping the body break down protein more easily. Apples, on the other hand, are rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, protect the intestinal lining, and limit toxin buildup. Yogurt provides beneficial probiotics that help balance the gut microbiome, strengthen immunity, and reduce bloating after meals. This trio is the perfect combination for a healthier and more comfortable digestive system every day. And just like that, you have a refreshing, natural gut-cleansing drink that's easy to enjoy and great for your body. This drink helps wake up your digestive system, allowing your intestines to work more smoothly, reduce bloating, and give you a sense of comfort throughout the day. You can pour the remaining mixture into a glass jar, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. This helps save time while keeping the flavor and effectiveness of the drink. After a few days of consistent use, you'll notice a lighter stomach, better digestion, and even brighter skin as your body becomes cleaner from the inside out. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite fruit for making detox drinks. I'm really curious to know which detox blend you'd choose to start your morning with. Tell me in the comments. Once your digestive system has been cleansed, the next step is to take care of your liver, the body's main filtering system. The second recipe will help detoxify the liver, purify the blood, and restore your energy in just 3 days. Start by slicing the lemon into thin pieces and removing the seeds to avoid bitterness. You can keep the peel because this outer layer contains essential oils and natural compounds that help activate liver enzymes and support the detoxification process. When the lemon is sliced, nutrients like vitamin C, flavonoids, and limonene dissolve more easily into the water, creating a mixture that helps cleanse the liver, reduce bloating, and boost immunity. This is an important step in preparing our liver cleansing drink, simple yet full of nutritional benefits. For the ginger, grate it or slice it into very thin pieces so the nutrients can be released easily during soaking. When ginger is finely cut, its active compound gingerol, known for its detoxifying, anti-inflammatory, and warming properties, dissolves more quickly, helping enhance liver cleansing and stimulate blood circulation. Thanks to its natural warming effect, ginger also helps the body release toxins through sweat and speeds up metabolism, bringing a feeling of lightness and relaxation. When the water comes to a boil, pour it into the jar with all the ingredients and let it steep for about 15 minutes. When combined, lemon helps cleanse, ginger supports circulation, and honey nourishes and balances. These 3 simple ingredients create a natural filter that helps your liver function more smoothly and effectively each day. When the water is still warm, add 2 tablespoons of honey and gently stir to dissolve. Honey helps soothe the stomach lining, supports digestion, and improves the absorption of nutrients from the lemon and ginger. It also contains natural enzymes and antioxidants that help reduce fatigue, boost energy, and support the liver's detoxification process. The drink has a mild sourness from the lemon, a warm spiciness from the ginger, and a pleasant sweetness from the honey, making it very easy to drink and suitable for daily use. You should drink 1 warm cup every morning after waking up or in the evening before bed to give your liver and digestive system the best support. After about 3 days, you'll clearly feel your body becoming lighter, your mind more relaxed, and your energy levels rising, as if your body has been reset from the inside out. After trying these two recipes, you'll notice changes within just a few days. A lighter stomach, brighter skin, fresher breath, and a more energized mood. Many people describe it as starting over when the body feels renewed and refreshed. In addition, you should drink plenty of warm water, eat more leafy greens, and take a light walk every day to enhance the detox effect. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next videos.